I'm making a crispy, like chicken wicked wings. So chicken, magic syrup, soy sauce, salt and pepper, and then garlic, crispy fry, and then breadcrumbs. Ganit ko muna to manok with the salt and pepper. Then soy sauce, and then garlic, and then magic syrup. Then mix it up. So yung crispy pie, 1 kilogram. So ilagay ko lang siya dyan. And then breadcrumbs. Ano some breadcrumbs? Is a mix ko na yung breadcrumbs. It guy, marinated na siya. So basa siya. So I don't need ano na. So that's my chicken crispy. So if I fried ko na yan. It's really hot, guys. Hi. Ito na siya. Fried rice, onion, peas and corn, sausage, pork, egg, and carrots. My rice is over here. Rice. Ito natin dito. Siya. Wow. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm cooking fried rice now. Onion, then yung let's carrots on. Rice for mga friends, mga people. Pork sausage, onion, pork sausage, carrots, then egg, green peas, and corn. People, yung fried rice ko, ay nalagyan ko na siya ng magic syrup, soy sauce, pepper and salt, and then rice. So it's already rice.